Hi everyone, this is Matt Heinrich with Affiliated Control Equipment, and today I want to talk to you about the MPA-C manifold from Festo. It's a really fantastic product offering that rounds out their MPA series of manifolds, where they have the MPA-S, which is their standard manifold, the MPA-L, which is the low cost option, and then the MPA-C, which is their clean option. So first, some basic info. It is IP69K, FDA approved, and corrosion resistant. So this is the manifold that you would go to for some of your most demanding washdown and food applications. You can get it in up to 32 valve slices, which you can operate on up to 32 different pressure zones. So it's really flexible from that aspect. And each valve slice, there are a bunch of different options as far as configurations or blanking plate. You can operate it on a D-sub connection. There are a couple different options for that, or a field bus, so you can network this device. Now, a couple features that are unique to Festo. So this design is what I'm going to call non-pooling. So each surface on the manifold is actually curved. So some competition has some flat edges where if you wash down, you might see some pooling, which you really want to avoid for wash down applications. But there's a slight curve to each edge, so you're going to avoid that. Another nice part about this manifold is the cover plate. So I've already loosened up the bolts on one, just so I can show you a little bit closer. So cover plate has a couple different features that I want to point out. First, you'll see these two buttons. So those are the manual override for each solenoid. And on top of that, there's a little clear ring around each one. So there is an LED indicator for each solenoid coil, depending on status. So you don't have to remove anything in order to know the status of the valve. You can still do the override without needing to remove anything. And then you can see there's this little clear window. That window is going to point to the part number on each valve. So if you've got to do maintenance on the valve, you don't have the documentation ready, your guy can just walk over, look through the little window, and see what valve needs to be replaced. If you want to learn anything else about the MPA-C or any of the other product offering from Festo, feel free to reach out to us at Affiliated Control Equipment, and we'd be happy to share more.